what I want to do with CAD and learning CAD through the MET program was a great option because I've been able to learn more than just CAD. I've been able to learn different aspects of manufacturing engineering, just engineering in general, and it will give me more options for a future career. Being able to go through the MET program and learning CAD, being so close home and affordable, that was a great choice for me. Classes are hybrid, so it's not everything in class, so that was kind of flexible for me because we'll meet in class, touch base on whatever we needed to learn or if we had any questions, and then we also had work to do outside of class. Some evening classes that really helped because I work full-time and I work in the morning, and having those evening classes kind of help. At least for me, I'm a person that learns, I'm a visual person, I'm a person that learns doing stuff, and having the opportunity to do hands-on, it's great because at least so I was able to work on that during my classes. I have an idea on how that works. For example, the CNC machines, we have some knowledge about how they look, where are the buttons at, what do you need to touch, and at least if you, in the future, if you go to to work for a company that you have to use one of those machines, okay, I have an idea on how this works. Having small classes, it was great. The instructors, they always very helpful. They try to do their best to help you or work their schedules to get with you, that work with your own schedule. Just seeing the start of something and you start slowly working on it, and then at the end you get to see the final results, how everything comes together. It's nice. It's just being able to see something from beginning to the end and being able to say, oh, I did that. It was a lot of sacrificing, time with the family, but my kids, they're the ones that give me that push to keep going, don't stop, don't give up.